In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix StreamElements commands not working. If your chatbot commands suddenly stop responding, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to a small setting, a missed permission, or a simple chat command that needs to be corrected. We're going to walk through the most common fixes so you can get your StreamElements bot working again. First, open your StreamElements dashboard and go to the chatbot settings. Once you're there, check whether the bot is actually connected to your channel. If you see a join button, click it. That usually means the bot is not currently active in your chat. Commands won't work at all unless the bot has joined properly, so this is the first thing you should verify. Next, make sure the bot hasn't been muted. You can do that by typing !bot unmute directly in your chat, or by checking your dashboard settings. Sometimes the bot is technically connected but muted, which means it won't respond even though it looks like everything is set up correctly. After that, check whether the bot was accidentally banned from your channel. In chat, type /unban StreamElements or /unban at StreamElements. If the bot was banned at some point, none of your commands will work until that ban is removed, so this is an important fix to test. You'll also want to make sure the bot has moderator permissions in your channel. To do that, type /mod StreamElements in chat. Moderator status helps the bot perform certain actions properly and can prevent issues with command responses or chat management features. Another common reason commands fail is user rank restrictions. Open the command settings and check whether the command is limited to a higher permission level, such as moderators or subscribers. If a regular viewer is trying to use a command that requires elevated access, it may appear broken when it's actually working exactly as configured. You should also check whether the command is on cooldown. If it was used recently, StreamElements may temporarily block it from being used again until the cooldown timer expires. This can easily make it seem like the command is not working, when in reality it's just waiting to become available again. Finally, confirm that you're using the correct command prefix and spelling. In most cases, the prefix is an exclamation mark, but that can vary depending on your setup. Even a small typo in the command name can stop it from triggering, so double check the exact wording. By going through these checks one by one, you can usually find the issue quickly and restore your StreamElements commands without much trouble.